Next time, yan po. Yan, itatarget ko yan. Yan. Ayan na po. Andito po kami sa campingan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Yan ang gusto ko. Start of another one. Dami ko, sabi ko. Meron sila dito activities, so my goodness, I'm gonna go see that one later. Pero, which one? Oh, that's a CX-9? Oh, that's a big one. No, it's a Mazda. Yeah. I want to change my car. Hello. Is that the 7-seater?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Well, looks like I'm thinking of changing my 5 to 90.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
I had that one too.
It's so big. Is it okay? I'll just...
The seats are down.
Oh my.
And then there's a third row.
Yeah.
It's not big, but it's like 2 kids.
I should have... Why did you have me CX-5?
I know. Yeah, that's what I had. Then we had the second kid, and then I had the...
It's a nice one. Well, we're Mazda people. We're Mazda babies.
Well, this one's also the hybrid. So it has electric and gas.
Oh.
Which is nice. You can't get very far on the...
Mileage.
Yeah, on the electric.
Electric.
You can get around town. You know, it's like if I just go around town, I can pretty much charge it every night and just kind of...
Easy to drive.
You know what? It's not fast.
Oh, okay.
But I'm kind of a slow driver, so I don't care.
Me too.
But it's not like... I drive my husband's car and he has a faster BMW, and like you learn to drive a slower car because you just can't like do stuff where you got to go real fast.
We're just the same. I'm thinking of that CX-90.
I've enjoyed it as well.
Mine is almost 5 years, so
Yeah.
time to change. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng ano, ng... And honey, oh, but why don't you just be the one to buy the CX-90, honey? And I'll just borrow. Oh, gusto nila sa pick-up truck daw. Ako, umiinom ng kape. Mamaya po, iba-vlog ko to. Marami pong nagpupunta dyan. So far. Tapos dito po, dito naliligo. Meron yung may shower room doon. Dito naliligo mga ibang tao. Diyan oh. Safe po maligo dyan banda. Ay naku, nakita niyo may mga bees. May bees na naman. So camp. Yan yung campsite. No. That's where we're going there later. I'll show you guys this campsite. We're walking. We're gonna go walk. I don't know how many minutes. At ang cellphone ko mayroong malaking, oh sorry, that's a big hump. There's a big bees. Tapos dito po pwede ka dyan campfire, at gusto mo upo dyan magmuni-muni dyan. Tapos kagabi po sina Princess, yung mga kasama namin, sila Kimi ata, at Kimi tsaka si Little, dito sila nag-fishing sila rito. Yun banda doon sila banda nag-fishing. May maupuan. Hindi ko alam kung may nahuli naman silang isda. Ganda po. Kami naglalakad. Diyan na po sila. Malapit na po kami. Ayan. May mga nagpupunta nag-camping. Sana Lord, bigyan mo ako ng magandang lupang ganito. Ayan. Diyan po sila nag-fishing. Ayan. Kami naglalakad mag-asawa. 4 minutes na. Kakatuwa din. Maglakad-lakad. That's where they went fishing last night. Right there. They sat over there. Another campsite. RV. Oh, wait a minute. RV site. Isn't that here?
No, it's to the
To the left. And look who's there. Look who's doing the bike. I know this man. Ano yan? Tarong basura? O, dyan po fishing sila. Overlooking, ang ganda po. Mawawala pala ako dito. To the left. Ay, almost 5 minutes. Hindi, minto tayo kasi 2 minutes din naman. Kausap ko yung babae kanina. Ay. Guys, honey, there's another hump. Hump. Oh, paminsan-minsan. Na-exercise po ako. Na-exercise po yung aking kinain. Next time, yan itatarget ko yan. Yang, ano yan tawag nila, canvas house. Pupunta kami sa Orcas Island, another island yun. Napunta ako na yun Kaya lang, pupunta na naman namin. Hinihingal ako. Oh my goodness. Ay, paalis na mga iba. Nag-overnight lang sila rito. Pero kami hanggang bukas pa. So, ayan si Eric. I like your bicycle. Look at his bicycle. Napagod ako. 7 minutes din. Ay, sabi 5 minutes kasi -2. Dahil may kausap ako kanina. So, ayan na po. Hoy, makapiright ako. Ay, hello. Hello, Lucky. Si Lucky, oh. Hala po. Napagod ako. Ay, ayan na po. Andito po kami sa kampingan.
There's a lot of peace.
Saan ka napapasok dyan? Okay. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Nag-vlog ako ng tindahan. Ay, di ba? Ay, kaya ka dumating. Linggo na ngayon na. Late ka na.
Okay lang po.
Nag-first trip ka? Nagsakay ka dun sa yung meron.
Yung naong oh.
Sabi nila glass skin daw ako. Good morning! Glass skin daw. Ayan. Tingnan mo si Gladys. Ano niluluto mo?
Sausage.
Yan ang gusto ko. Yan ang gusto ko. Kasi lang, omelette. Hi, Eliza! Eliching! How are you? Tahimik siya, oh. Eliching! You just eat by yourself?
Teleserye.
Teleserye. Ang ganda-ganda ng ngiti niya. Oh. Love ko yan Oh. Tayo dito, buksan mo nga ako. Dala-dalawang kamay ko. Nag-American breakfast ako kanina. Hello, Erin. This is my baby that used to be baby, now no longer baby. She's a big girl now. And we will do a lot. Ay, ang alpaca is only 10 minutes away.
Okay, we'll go to alpaca.
Tapos yung sinasabi ni Grabe, ang ganda. So guys, ang dami ko ng vlog for today. Wala pa po akong sa kalahati. Nakadalawa na ako. Itong paglalakad namin at saka yung grocery. Nagpunta kami sa grocery. Pati yung gumagawa ng kape ko. Balinag ko siya. Ang dami ko na. Nakakatuwa.
Tita, anong meron sa grocery nila?
Nandun lahat. Tubig. I think so. Everything is in there. Merchandise nila. Ay, mayroon palang egg Oo guys, eto, patapos na ako sa itong vlog na to. Naglakad lang kami. So finally, ngayon kakain po ako ngayon. Huwag kayong maingay. Kumain ako ng American breakfast. Kakain ako lang Pinoy breakfast.